It's 2025, and we moved into this house in like 2020. So it's been 5 years, and we finally got blinds for my daughter's room. Woohoo! So they're called like honeycomb blinds, and so we've just installed it. Let me put this final handle clip on there. Gotta put it longer. Voila. All right, moment of truth. Check it out. Yay, it works. I guess what I could have did was brought this a little bit more that way, or snapped it a little bit more in the center, and then it'll be even more perfect. And that's that. All right, whisker out.